At Owen Equipment, we offer on-site personalized equipment demos that show our products performing in real-world situations in real time. Our demos cater to contractors, municipalities, business owners, and equipment operators looking for highly productive and reliable equipment. Before starting the demonstration, we like to ask questions like, what is your specific application? What are your common worksite and equipment challenges? Or, why are you considering switching manufacturers? Once we know who you are, along with your specific worksite challenges, we then take the time to conduct an equipment walk-around, where we point to specific features on the equipment that's purpose-built to solve the problems you're facing. Our main goal is to make excavating, sweeping, cleaning, mowing, and more easier. With RC mower demos, we hand over the controls to you. This way you can see them mowing and performing in real time. For example, an awesome RC mower feature we like to show off is its capability for easily mowing of up to 50-degree slopes. This feature, among many other impressive RC mower capabilities, takes the danger out of a traditional style mower by giving contractors and municipalities the power to tackle tough terrains in half the time with just a crew of one. For our nozzle demos, we bring out our heavy-duty nozzle demo trailer to showcase our wide variety of sewer cleaning nozzles that tackle both grease and roots. Also, we like to show off our high-efficiency storm nozzles that remove heavy materials. We then walk you through the necessary steps for attaching our nozzles to your truck and best practices for checking your pressures. From there, we begin showcasing how our superior KEG and INS nozzles dominate even your toughest jobs. When you attend an Elgin Street Sweeper demo, you receive both lecture-focused and hands-on instruction. We make sure you get a solid idea of what day-to-day operation will look like behind the wheel, giving you the chance to test out its impressive sweeping features for yourself. This goes back to our emphasis on ensuring you get a solid idea of how our sweepers will function on a typical job site. We also like to highlight that all Elgin brooms are engineered to function precisely with the sweeper's key systems and are manufactured to provide more efficient sweeping and longer lifespans. During a Vactor demo, we highlight how Vactor sewer cleaners enhance operator comfort with the Intuit Touch control panel that combines all cleaning functions into a single, user-friendly interface. This feature, among many others, works to reduce operator fatigue for improved precision, power, and performance. Similar to our sewer cleaner demos, our TruVac hydro excavation demonstrations aim to provide municipalities and contractors with a clear understanding of TruVac's commitment to satisfying the safe digging requirements of businesses and organizations that locate and verify underground utility lines and pipes. Additionally, we'll ensure you understand industry best practices for safe digging and why vacuum excavation, or non-destructive digging, is the preferred method for exposing underground utilities. And finally, our Sonetics demos. In high-noise environments, Sonetics offers 24 decibels of hearing protection, noise-reducing features, and an auto-level microphone that lets your voice stand out against varying levels of background noise. This is why we like to get you and your team on a real job site, so you can see all the benefits your team stands to gain. No matter the job or service, you can always count on an outstanding demonstration of the finest equipment in the industry. At Owen Equipment, we offer parts, sales, service, and training to further improve the infrastructures of the communities we serve, equipping you with the skills to complete jobs safely and efficiently. For more information on Owen Equipment demos, feel free to reach out to one of our 5 full-service locations to schedule your Owen Equipment demo today.